Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 20. Jamaica is now poised to receive a $30.8 million drawdown from the International Monetary Fund, the IMF. This comes as the fund's executive board confirmed on December 18 that the country had passed the second review of its economic performance under the extended fund facility arrangement. This latest drawdown brings the total disbursements to Jamaica under the agreement to about $272.2 million. The IMF's deputy managing director and acting board chair says Jamaica's overall program implementation under the extended fund facility remains strong. The first trade compensation arrangement on the government's Petro-Caribbean agreement with Venezuela was initiated Thursday. Through a deal with Carib Cement, the first batch of 20,000 tons of clinker was loaded onto this vessel for route to the South American country. From now until April 2014, 100,000 tons, valued at $8.5 million, will be shipped. The trade arrangement is aimed at reducing Jamaica's $2.5 billion oil debt with Venezuela.
I would like to urge other Jamaican manufacturers to access this trade compensation mechanism so that more Jamaican goods and services will enter the Venezuelan market.
Energy Minister Philip Paulwell lauded Carib Cement for the expansion of its plant to accommodate the shipment. He said this would facilitate the job creation aspect of the trade arrangement, providing employment for several persons in the area.
We now have on a full-time basis 45 women of this constituency who are now employed at Carib Cement. I was just advised earlier today that there is a program for the men and that 10 of our men will receive employment as well. So again, 55 persons will be benefiting.
The first 48 houses under the revamped INNERCITY housing program have been handed over to residents of Majesty Gardens. At Wednesday's function, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller encouraged residents to keep their homes and community clean, beautiful and prosperous.
Let Majesty Gardens be a model of inner-city development. You can do it, and I'm expecting you to do it, and I know you can. Do it for your children. Do it for yourself.
One of the youngest recipients, 22-year-old Shanika Thompson, was thankful for a place to call her own.
This is an opportunity for me and my family and I to improve our life. We will now have individual bedrooms. I will no longer be afraid or embarrassed to invite a friend to visit because I'm terrified they might ask, "Can I use your restroom?" Or simply do not want them to know where I live. If and when asked for proof of address, I will now be able to furnish several utility bills.
The residents have since renamed the National Housing Trust development Portia Simpson Miller Meadows. At a cost of $172 million, Phase 1 of the development consisted of 16 three-bedroom and 32 two-bedroom apartment units. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has expressed disappointment with some school principals who he says have refused to take part in professional development programs offered by the National College for Educational Leadership. Minister Thwaites, who was speaking in Parliament on Tuesday, said the programs were geared at building the capacity of school leaders to manage their institutions. He said the ministry would be taking action against those principals who refused to participate.
I will place on record the fact that the ministry has written to the boards of managements of those schools and will be proceeding with further action, as we cannot sit by and allow the future of Jamaica's children to be jeopardized by weak school leaders who continue to shun the capacity building opportunities which are being provided.
And finally, Jamaicans are being asked to support KUMBA YABBA. Dubbed as the official Christmas shopping village, KUMBA YABBA happens this Sunday at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. It's hosted by Things Jamaican Stores, a subsidiary of the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission is also supporting the event, which returns in 2013 after a short break.
Realize there is this robust excitement for the small business sector. Last year, we had many things are happening in the environment. We have the message clear. The people say, look here, there are no excuses this year. Get and start planning.
Patrons will be able to shop from dozens of exhibitors and producers of innovative, indigenous and authentic Jamaican branded products. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.